we deployed Color Drive to do our house, and right from the time we started engaging with them, our journey has been quite fruitful. They were very prompt with sending us the quotation, making suggestions in terms of the color schemes that we had to choose for our house. And most importantly, the execution of the entire project was flawless. We had a very dedicated team that was punctual and most importantly cared for all the furniture that we had. They ensured that they masked the furniture, and we were barely disturbed during the course of the project. Uh, we would definitely recommend Color Drive as a as a company that you could seek to ensure your house is renovated and painted and the likes. So, um, yeah.